Today is Tuesday, so that means it is time for a Tiny Tidy Tuesday. In today's Tiny Tidy Tuesday, I am going to be cleaning out all of my cabinets and drawers here in my bathroom. They are not in terrible condition. I do need to take everything out, just make sure there's nothing that I need to declutter or throw away, and then wipe everything down and put it all back in. I'm going to be doing it one cabinet or one drawer at a time. I'm not going to take it all out at once because everything should be going back into the same area that it's in now. What I am going to use to do this with, I'm going to use this old towel, and I'm going to just be putting this old towel down in the floor to put my stuff on when I take it out of the cabinets or the drawers. And I'm going to be using a multi-surface spray. This is still from fall. It's the apple cider scent. I'm trying to use it up. I know it's spring, but I really do love the smell of it, so I'm okay with that. You can use any type of multi-purpose cleaner that you want to use to do something like this. You could also use soap and water. You could use vinegar water. The sky is the limit. And then I'm going to use a microfiber cloth. Again, you could use a towel, you could use paper towels, whatever you want to use, but those are the things that I'm going to need to do this project with. And as always, Tiny Tidy Tuesdays are put together by my dear friend here on YouTube. Her name is Sunday Dawn. Her channel name is The Helpful Home. I will link it along with today's Tiny Tidy playlist in my description box below.
어디서부터 담을 수 있을까? 벌어진 틈새를 채울 순 있을까? I don't know what to do. We've already spent too much time. 우린 이미 너무 먼 길을 너에게로부터 가장 내 마음이 또다시 철없이 널 향하지 않게 Far away Far away 한참을 헤매고 찾아왔던 네가 그렇게 반가울 수 있었을까? I don't know what to do. I can't wait for you anymore. 이제 내게 난 인사를 건네줄게. 내 마음이 또다시 철없이 널 향하지
So I put everything from that top drawer down on the floor just because on this towel, just because I want to go over everything, see if I have anything to declutter. I have these little dark circle patches. I want to keep these, but I need to remember to use these. So I'm going to put these up here to go back in the drawer. I have this lipstick that I bought and never even used. I need to put this with I need to actually try this on and see if I like it, but I'm going to put it with my other makeup, so I'm going to put that in a place to relocate. I have this lipstick and it is almost empty, so I'm going to go ahead and declutter these two. I have this little lip pencil that I do not use anymore, so I'm going to declutter that one. And I have this plumping lipstick that I do not use anymore either, so I'm going to go ahead and declutter that one. And that leaves this little case empty, but I do have some stuff to put in it, so I'm going to put that up here as well. I'm going to wipe it down too. You know me, I gotta be extra. So I'm gonna put that back up there. I have this, I keep my makeup removing wipes in it, so I'm going to put that back up on the countertop. I have this sample thing that I want to let go of. I have an eye cream that I use. I have a vitamin C serum that I use. I have some eye cream. I have another serum. I have this stuff for my hair. I think I'm going to put this in a different drawer. More eye creams. Clippers. Some vitamin C. And then I have one of these. So now this is empty, so I'm going to wipe it out as well. I think I'm just gonna put like some, see if you guys can see this. I think I'm just gonna put some of my creams in here, kind of like this, so they're easy to get to. Let's see which ones will go in here. So I think I'm gonna do this one like that. Then I have these extras that I need to find room for. So I'm going to put those up on top of the sink. I need to relocate these two. And then I have my deodorant. So now let's put the drawer back together.
Every step forward is another add-on. Through every break and fall, we need to stay strong. And as time goes by, we get settled in our ways. No matter how hard we try, the feeling stays. You get right through my shield, like raindrops on a field. You pour down the dry cracks, and the earth comes alive. Wherever there's love, there's bound to be strains. We push on through the rain. I know that things must change. I want to live again. I want to live again. Throw it all at me. Spark hit the golden child. We both know who is right, through the screaming and the wild, through all the tears and all the pain, the late night deliberations. You know I'd do it all again. Yeah, I do it all again. You get right through my shield, like raindrops on a field. You pour down the dry cracks, and the earth comes alive. Wherever there's love, there's bound to be strains. Oh, we push on through the rain. I know that things must change. I want to live again. I want to live again. is smiling so bright.
Okay, so I just want to show you guys what I am decluttering and tell you why I'm decluttering some of the things that I am decluttering. And first of all, I have this. I used to pour water in it to put it in a diffuser in the bedroom. We no longer have that diffuser anymore, so I'm going to go ahead and throw this away. I already went over these lipsticks. They're either old or I just do not wear them anymore. This obviously is trash. These are headbands that you can use to pull your hair back with when you wash your face. I kept one, but I had 3 total. They're very inexpensive to replace if I ever needed to repurchase again, but I do have a headband that I keep at my makeup table that I normally use to put makeup on, so I feel safe letting these go. This lipstick I am just relocating, so hold on. This is a sample that I am going to pass on. I am relocating these eye patches to my refrigerator so that they're cold if I want to use them. And then I have all of these hair accessories. I have these little clips that are butterflies. I have these little things to hold your hair out of your eyes. I had so many, and I felt like I needed to declutter some. Each time I go through that little box, I declutter a little bit more. It just seems like I'm ready to let go of a little bit more each and every time. So I have all of these, and that is all that I found to remove. So now I'm just going to tidy up, get my towel up, get things out of the bathroom. And I want to thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you check out Sunday Dawn's channel, The Helpful Home, in my description box below. And I also hope that you'll check out today's Tiny Tidy playlist for more tiny tidying motivation. And remember, take time to live, laugh, and love today. I'll see you guys in the next one. And I am going to end this by cleaning. I'm just not going to talk anymore. So I just want to tell you guys that I love you.
Everyone snuggled so tight. The day is done, and soon you'll see the sun. But tonight, the moon is smiling so bright. You're safe in your bed. Let go of your thoughts and just rest your head. You've had a big day, and in the morning you'll start again. But tonight the moon is smiling so bright. May you sleep soft and sweet. May you sleep so peacefully. May you dream of all your favorite things. Your favorite things. The birds are nestled in